All right, today we are going to be using the scientific method, what we know about scientific method, to do this experiment. Who can tell me what the name of the experiment is?
Drops on a penny.
Drops on a penny. And what is our problem? What is our problem?
Does the amount of soap mixed with water affect how well the water will stay on a penny?
Okay, so what are our, what's going to be our controlled, what's our controlled thing?
Variable.
What is our controlled variable? Thank you.
Penny.
Nope. What is our,
The soap. Yeah.
what is the controlled variable?
Plain water.
The plain water. Plain water is your controlled variable. What then will be our dependent variables?
The soap.
The soap added to the water. So in part B, in your cup B, you have a 75% water and 25% soap. In cup C, you have 50-50. It's half soap, half water. Everyone should have the 4 cups or 3 cups plus a little container that has solid water in it, just water in it to wash your penny off in. You have 2 paper towels, a penny, and an eyedropper. Those are all the materials you need. Does everyone have that at their desk? Do you have a question?
Is A also water too?
A is all water, yes.
And is that the same as this?
That is the same as that, but the little cup is for you to wash your penny off because it calls, when you're doing the experiment, it calls to wash your penny off. So what I would like you, at the very bottom of page 1, it says, in this experiment, what will you change? What are we going to change in our experiment?
The dependent variable.
The dependent variable.
How much soap we're using?
How much soap we're using. Good. So write that down for number 1. So what will you change? You're going to change the water. We are changing the water because our independent variable is all water, right? Yes, because it can stand alone. So we're looking at the independent variable is all water. So what are you going to change? The water mix-up. And then in your, and then it says, what is the dependent variables? What are we going to be looking at?
How much of each substance can fit on a penny?
Very good. How much of each substance can fit on the top of a penny? Okay, when you are finished writing that down, you're going to flip the page. And it's asking you to actually come up with a hypothesis. What is your hypothesis? It says the question is, our research question is, does the amount of soap mixed with water affect how well the water will stay on a penny? So you are going to write a hypothesis now. And remember, we're using the when, then. When you do this, then this will happen. The when, then setup is how you're going to write your hypothesis. And that's, and as soon as you have that finished, then raise your hand.
Is it ABC or ABCD?
Just ABC. You finished? Okay. 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 Yep, that's good. What are you thinking, Clay? Okay, you guys can put your hands down. Okay, you can put your hand down. You got it all finished? Okay. All finished? Okay, good. Okay. Emma, you may put your hand down. Good. All right, right underneath our hypothesis, it says you are going to perform a control test for comparison with later data. What the steps that you are doing are the same for each variable. So you're going to do the same thing with the container A that you do for container B and for container C. It says step 1, rinse a penny in tap water and dry completely. That's what your little container is that does not have the lid on it, is just plain tap water. So that's what you're going to, so the first step is to wash it and dry it. Step 2, who can tell me what step 2 is? Emma.
Place the penny on paper towel.
Place the penny on a paper towel. Step 3. Alex.
Use an eyedropper to place drops of water on the penny, one at a time, until any amount of water runs over the edge of the penny.
Okay. Step 4. Drake.
Record the number of drops for that trial on the table.
Okay. And step 5. Spencer.
Repeat steps 1 and 4 four more times, and then calculate the mean average.
Okay. How do we calculate an average or a mean?
You would add up all the results and then divide by 5 because
Fi-
of the 5 trials.
Exactly. Add up all of the numbers, divide by 5 because you have 5 trials, and then you would write your average on that last box. Any questions before you get started? Yes, sir.
Never mind.
Okay. All right, you may begin working. All right. You're drying your penny off. What did you guys? What do you think your hypothesis is?
That 50-50 would have the most drops.
You think 50-50 of the most drops? What did you think?
I think that when you add more soap to the water, then you can put less drops on the penny.
Okay.
Yeah, that's basically what. Isn't that
Okay.
like 75% water? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so we can see.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the drops. We can each do one Or we can take turns since there's like 5 tiles. Okay, so
Yeah. That's a good idea. So do you think it'll matter where you put the drops on the penny?
well, probably if you put it more in the middle, you can probably fit more drops around it.
Okay. Wow. You ran out of water before you got it to the edges.
Okay, so we were on 21. Yeah.
It's gigantic. It gets like
Wow.
Okay, 24.
Okay.
The soap thingy. No, you gotta do all 5 trials.
Yeah, you have to do 5
Darn it.
trials. So did you, where did you guys start putting your drops?
In the middle.
In the middle? So do you think that has an effect on it?
Yeah, because it gives it more room to spread out.
Okay.
Why do you keep wetting? Oh yeah.
There's just the wet and dry. I actually
Should we not dry it with this?
I actually
Yeah,
ran
you
out.
can.
I actually ran
There,
out.
you have 2.
We had to go to. We had to
Yeah.
collect more water.
So you have 2 paper towels there, and if you need more, I can give you more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're dropping it more that way.
6. Oh my God, we're gonna run out already. 7, 8, 9, 10. It's distracting. 8, 11. What's 11?
Yeah.
13, 14, 15. Ran out of drops. We got that again. Was that 15? Yeah. Will is ran out of
15.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24.
See, it gets so high off of it, it doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, I know. That is crazy.
It is crazy.
Yes, ma'am.
with like one of these?
No, you have to do for each one. You have to do the same thing 5 times to make sure that your answers are the same. And then you're going to do the next one, and you'll close A back up, and then go to B and do it 5 times, and then you'll close B up, and then go to C and do that 5 times. Okay? Yeah. So you've got lots of drops to put on your penny.
Okay. Miss Sarah's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh. So 27.
Yeah, 27.
I got us all the way to 33 drops.
Wow.
We gotta restart the.
Did you do, when you were doing the drops, the difference between your 19 to 33 drops, did you put the drops in a different spot on the
Yeah,
penny?
like when it started going right, I put it left, and then when the whole thing flew, I put it exactly in the middle, and it
Okay.
kept just rising up.
Okay. And who did the 19?
Trenton.
And how did you do your 19 drops? Just right in the middle. So you kind of went around,
Yeah.
and then you just went straight in the middle. Okay. What about the 28 drops?
We went so far, we didn't even shake the table.
That is amazing.
I gotta get 40. I gotta get 40.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Now
We could have got further with 20, but he should have.
Oh, well, you need to be careful.
I thought it was gonna be like dropping. I thought it was gonna be total drop. I want to do it
only because I did it.
Yeah.
It's a bubble.
Oh, dude, there, it's so wet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guys, they're on 4, and then you're going one ahead. Oh, okay. Okay.
What are we at?
7, 8, 5. Where's set the penny in the tap water while we're doing this?
Huh?
Where's set the penny in the tap water while we're doing the meat?
Okay. So did you guys notice a difference in if you change the way you put the
Put
the drops?
on the edge and it went off itself.
Yeah. So it does.
Kind of made a difference on
Cool.
what side you did.
I got 28.
That is great. I think someone over here has 40. They were able to put 40 on. I don't know, but they had 40. It was a real big, it was like a big bubble on top of the penny. Yes. Yes.
Can we have a little paper towel?
Yeah.
That's like drenched.
Sure. There's another paper towel for you. Yes, ma'am.
When we're done with this, like, would you guys average this up to move on to B or?
I would average it up and then go on to B. Yeah.
Miss Huser, put some kind of spell.
Okay. In 1 second, I'll bring it over to you. I'm trying to clean up the mess right now. You need to sit down. Make sure that we are staying somewhat calm. We have some people that are getting a little wound up. No, I'll get you some. In fact, you might have enough. How many did you do?
Oh, we've already done 3.
Okay, then you should have enough water for that. Is it on the floor?
Yeah. You should probably take your jacket off.
Yeah, make sure you got it so there's nothing to spill. Okay. Okay. Yes. I'm bringing, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we are so tested.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can we get a new paper towel or it's pretty wet? I got it.
Please make sure you are careful. We've already had one spill.
728, 29.
29 again. 30, I hit it. No, it's 30.
It rolled off with 30, so you can't count that.
I'm up. Okay, it's just add me. Okay, and then the calculator. I didn't count.
Yes, you can.
Figure out the.
How do we say to figure out average?
You add these up and then divide it by 5.
Yep, add them up and divide by 5.
31. Not total. 15.
All right, guys. Oh, I didn't give you a note. Where's your penny?
I don't know.
Okay, let me find you a new penny. Did you find it?
Penny was in the paper towels that you were using to dry.
Okay. Well, we're not going to rummage through the garbage.
You're going to B.
Here's a new penny. Yeah, when you're finished with A, go to B.
We need to restart since this is a completely different penny.
No, it's the same type of penny, so you should be fine.
Yeah, we
Make sure when you finish, your one.
We got 48 for one.
Wow, that is amazing. Make sure you completely close the container back. Okay. I need another piece. There's some extra paper towels.
Caesar, do we go on to the next one?
Yep, go on to the next one. So what are you guys finding as you're working on this one? Is it about the same thing?
Yeah, it's getting more bubbles.
It's getting more bubbles, okay.
The water one stayed a
lot more.
Yeah.
We got up to 38. Yeah.
Okay.
Highest we got was 38 and the other
Oh, that's it's 125 divided by 5. Do you know how to do math? Yeah. It equals 25, not 5.
All right. Make sure when you are on your next one.
Oh, no, wait.
Do we need to draw another one?
Yeah. To the next page.
Guys, I actually dropped.
Yeah, we need to calm down. We need
Yeah,
to
they were
calm
like
down.
shaking the table.
Yeah, they were goofing off over here and made a mess. So we need to try to be calm. Your group is yelling. And it's distracting to the other people trying to count.
39. What? There was like 37. There was like 37. It broke on.
We need to make sure that we are accurately counting.
Yeah.
So everyone is in agreement with it, because if we have different numbers, then is your data going to be accurate? No, it's not. It's going to mess up the whole averages and everything.
No.
So what have you guys found from?
The soap falls off quicker than plain water.
Okay.
Does it count if it rolls off but it didn't spill? The bubbles just roll off?
If anything comes off of it, then you're done.
Okay,
Yes.
well we stopped.
Yeah. As soon as anything rolls off, then
No, so if we drop it on it like that and it just rolls off,
It was
doesn't
16.
go on.
is that? Yeah. If you've been counting and it rolls off, then that means
Then it can't hold anymore.
it can't hold anymore. It has rolled off. Yeah.
16. This one's not. See, I told you guys. This one's. It's gonna be.
Or you're just.
Yeah. The first drop that goes off the edges, it automatically means that is finished.
And it's science.
Guys, we are getting wound up over here.
What are you guys at 30? They will not like pay attention that
Yeah.
we're counting.
You need to. Yeah. If we need to divide the groups up, play. You need to calm down, and you need to make sure.
I'm not yelling.
And we're still on our first one. I wouldn't sit on the desk because you're shaking the desk.
12. Can't get off the desk. 16.
So far on this one, your results have stayed the same. Do you think it's going to continue to stay the same?
Yes, because it's it can only. Oh, I know it helps it form a bubble around the edges. It's a little bit higher.
Yeah.
The fact that it still holds up like that.
Yeah.
It's no good off because it's too slippery.
Here, let me try this because this is soaking wet.
Yeah.
Trying to dry it.
The soap, I think, is falling off because it's too slippery.
You think?
I mean, come on. I was getting it ready for it. Come on.
Okay. Is it totally dry?
Oh no.
Okay.
We have a paper towel.
Okay.
You
rolled off.
Let's try to put 27.
So are you guys finding a difference between the all water versus the 75-25? Less?
Now that it's like this, and affecting it, like still making it go down. That's what I just did. That will make it go.
Okay. So you think when it's 50-50 it'll be even lower?
Because it's like a heavier liquid.
Consistency? Okay.
Like the density changes.
Very insightful.
It's good.
Now, do you have you tried to see if it matters what side of the penny you?
Yeah, I think that if you put it on that side, that's where you can fit more on it. Because like the more upraised, and it has like a face on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I did the face and then on the side of the penny instead of in the middle, and I only got like 11.
Oh wow. Yeah.
That was scary. They won't stop doing it really fast. I just counted it. It's 15 drops. There's no way you counted 15. Dude, he only did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's really easy to count.
You know what? We need to try to figure out how to work together.
I didn't count that. That was just.
That's amazing.
I got 22.
Have you guys noticed a difference on what side of the penny?
Yeah, this side's better.
So which, the back of it or the face of it?
The back of it.
Okay.
Like,
So you think it doesn't matter?
but the little indents holds bubbles, and this is just all round.
Okay.
And it pushes away from the middle, so it's
But it still
Okay, so you
always
think it
has
makes-
the ridges around it, which keeps the soap in.
Yeah, so you don't think that what is on the penny makes a difference, but some of you think it does.
Well, you know what?
I just think the soap is so slippery that
You think the soap's slippery?
That was 4. I just
Excuse me.
Yeah, we need probably more towels. Oh yeah, use that one. This one's all wet.
So have you guys looked at the difference if you put it on like heads up or heads down?
Yeah.
Does it make a difference? Have you seen if it makes a difference?
I got 19 on
So you think? So do you think the tail side holds more or less?
Less.
You think it holds less? You need to just stay at your seat. 84.8 if you added all of these numbers up and divided by 5.
You added it up and got 84.8 or something.
No, you couldn't have gotten a 0.8 at all if you added them straight up.
84.8.
What? You guys are doing what now?
let's see, 16 plus 16, wait. 16 plus 16 plus 27 plus 22 plus 19 equals,
Oh, you plus equals. You gotta go over one. Go over.
no, equals 100. Divided by 5 equals,
What the what?
how did we get 84.8?
I don't know, but I got that too.
Okay, whatever.
What did you guys get?
4, 3.
The average is 20. Which, you know how you can tell if an average is correct or incorrect? It's going to be roughly about around the numbers that you have.
Should we can rinse this out?
Stop squirting on it.
Like,
Okay, how are you guys doing? Okay. Now, have you guys noticed if there's a difference on what side of the penny you use?
Well, we've been using heads the whole time.
So you've done heads up every single time? Okay. Okay? Because I know some people have said they thought that it made a difference on what side of the penny.
I think because it like comes up and leaves less room for.
Okay?
Can I come? Wash my arm. Because Colin put
Not
soap on.
right now.
Wouldn't the kind of soap also make a difference?
It's all liquid soap.
Okay, so it's all the same kind.
It's all the same kind, it's just different colors. Yeah. But yeah, that's very possible that it would have, if I use like dishwashing liquid and then just a hand soap, because those are different consistencies or have different ingredients, so it could make a difference.
We have 44 drops.
That's amazing.
Can I have some more paper towels?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay. Looks like you guys are in need of some paper towels. I think so too. And you can just set that aside and
We got 40 on this one.
40?
Yeah.
Wow, that is amazing. So what you had originally thought, meaning you thought this one was going to be less, didn't you? So it actually is coming up that it can hold more?
I thought this one would be the one that holds the most. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's like more like sticky and stuff.
Right. A new what?
You can't get the bubbles out.
Okay, let's see if I have a different one.
Also, we have a new paper towel.
Now we have this one.
There you go. All right, we need to, you guys are getting carried away. You need to make sure you're focused. All right, make sure you're paying attention. Where are you going?
I was going to throw this.
Just stay there.
Our highest is 50 drops.
Wow, that is a lot of drops.
I did it.
You know, the more you swirl it like that, you're making more bubbles.
I didn't swirl it.
Every time you stick it in there, you're swirling around. Do you think if there's a lot of bubbles that that's going to affect how many drops will fit on there?
Yeah, because it takes up more space.
That's right, because what are bubbles made of? They have the air in the center. Okay?
We're done.
You're finished? Okay, then On the next page, then it wants you to actually graph. Take your results and graph it, and you'll need to follow the directions as to how to do that.
I think it was 6. It says relationships. Look for relationships. Is that a good title?
Sure.
Yeah, you are.
Go around the edges.
13.
15.
It already went off. You guys need another paper towel?
This is awesome. Let me see that. I need to get a little
How many do you have?
Everyone should be counting together so that you're sure that it's accurate.
38. Oh
How
my
do you
God.
always get so high?
You guys are awesome.
That's why I'm saying I think you should be counting together because you've got a huge discrepancy in your numbers.
Like, we always get like, well, me and him usually get the same. We didn't this time because he got 17, but like 16 and 16 are always ours, and we had 15 and 15 on the first one, and they always get like gigantic. Nino's the one who got 40 the one time.
Yeah. And I noted, and I would just make sure that you're counting out loud so everyone can count together to make sure that everyone at the group is agreeing.
Calculator, he's like shaking.
We spilled the soap and it got all over me.
Okay. Here you go. Guys need to be careful. So with this one, are you guys finding a difference with this one, or is it about the exact same?
Well, so far this is holding just a little bit more than liquid B because it's
Okay.
held, first it's equal, but then it held 1 drop more than.
Okay.
Yeah, but water is doing the best. I mean,
Water.
We had a range of 18 to 27 on that, and the average was 11.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
So okay. Oh, I didn't know you guys had gotten it on the floor too. Okay. Here we go. Okay, then once you're finished with that, if you go to the next page, it is actually asking you to graph your results.
Like drop art?
Yeah.
It's like 0.4. Can you just like round it
Yes.
down to 25?
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be much easier to graph it that way.
We got 17, 38, and 38. We would have had 38. Oh, we had 38.
Okay.
We have 38.
You guys, so far your group is getting the highest numbers out of anyone.
We're pretty good. We're controlled.
So,
44 would be though.
okay. Okay, yes.
Oh, no, everyone was the same thing. So, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do we do on this?
What's it ask you to do?
Well, I'm using my algebra, doing like this here. Oh, well, I got
So you are going to, so your number of drops, so you're going to like number them this way. And then you're going to have, then like you could have like 2 or 3 lines over and you would say the substances, what are the substances, and then do the bar graphs. And you know what a bar graph is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. When you are finished with your listen. When you are finished with your experiments, the next page is asking you to graph your results.
We can do that.
Huh?
We can do that.
Okay, good.
What number are you on? 12. Ready?
We cleaned your floor. He didn't shake the table. 33.
It's actually this side that's better because I always did it on this side thinking it was better, but then I got 33 on this side.
Okay, so you think now the face is better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abe Lincoln is eating the soap.
Oh no! Poor Abe.
Soap tastes bad, Abe. Don't you know?
He's been alive for so much
Score out of all of us.
No, actually, Spencer did.
I got 7.
I know Spencer got 30.
31.2.
Oh, I never even.
You didn't write down all of the answers.
1.2. We're
Okay.
done. Yay.
Now you have to draw, make your graphing. You're doing a bar graph with your results.
Shh. Wait,
Looks like
just the averages?
Just the averages.
3 is pretty
All right, as soon as you are finished with your experiments, you are creating a bar graph with the averages of each experiment. But we need to do that quietly. Some of us are getting way out of control.
What's the average?
All finished? Good. Okay.
My baby. My baby's
I don't know how we're gonna cut. I don't know what I'm gonna put.
I'll give you this one.
Well, you need to, it tells you what to put here.
Oh, it does.
It's, this is going, it says that this is going to be like number of drops, and this is going to be the, so like A, B, and C, your solutions.
We need more paper towels.
Okay.
We call it drop and hit.
I thought you were finished.
We are done.
So why didn't you? Yes, you're making it, you're entitled.
We're going to call it dropping. Dropping. We're using the no, she said drop it.
This part you're doing by yourself.
Oh.
This part's by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Graph is by yourself. Each person's doing their own graph. Shh. I'm going to collect your containers. You guys are supposed to be working by yourself. Shh. I'm gonna collect your stuff real quick.
Oh yeah, we have extra questions.
Once you are finished with your graph, you have to finish up the experiment and do the conclusion where you have questions to answer about your experiment. Yes?
Do we have to call it average drops or drops? Average drops.
It could be just, it doesn't matter. Either one. Shh. Yes.
Done like making the bars.
Okay.
Can we, like color them in with like
Yes.
a highlighter?
Uh-huh. I'll be right there. Are you guys all finished?
I'm working on the graph.
Okay. It seemed like we were starting to play with our stuff. Where's the penny now?
Right there. I think it's in the paper towel.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Thank you.
I want to use it.
Not right. Just use your, just shade it in with your pencil. Yes.
I finished the questions.
Okay. Did you guys discuss them? Okay. You'll want to discuss the questions.
Well, I had to,
Yes.
for the next thing, I had to add
So since this
Okay.
one there was more soap, but it got the most, but then this one got the
what
least.
relationships
And there was more
did you
soap
see?
added. So can I put when more soap is added? Sometimes there was less drops on the penny.
Yeah.
There were less drops.
Yeah, for the number for the middle one there.
Okay. We're playing, which isn't necessary. Paper towels.
Yeah, one just fell.
Thank you. Paper towels. Yes. Yes. And there's questions on the next page also.
I use your highlighter.
Yeah, just a second.
Last page, you are discussing with your group your results.
So here you just rewrite your hypothesis that you wrote in the beginning.
Uh-huh.
So did I. It's easier. I'm more easier to do yours in ones because we did it in ones.
I did mine in tens.
It's easier.
Why do you have 10, 20, 30, 40?
This should just be ABC.
This should just be either trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, or ABC.
I put 1, 2, 3.
Wouldn't be trial 1, 2, 3. It would be ABC.
Whoops, I put
A, B, C.
You could say trial A, trial B, trial C.
That song fit perfectly.
yeah, basically. I am doing a project gun in.
No, you're not. You're done with the project.
Shh. We're carrying on.
Okay.
Okay.
25.
Question was back.
Okay, you guys all finished? No. Okay.
There we go.
Guys, we need to stop playing. Please.
But it's blue.
All right, so what are you guys,
I'm trying to figure out the question.
So what was the question and hypothesis for the first page?
Does the amount of soap affect drops on the penny?
Okay, and what was your hypothesis?
I'm writing it now.
Okay.
You're just now writing your hypothesis?
No, on the back.
Will make
Is the amount of soap
Yay.
mixed with the water?
Was your hypothesis prediction supported by the data, or was it rejected?
Okay, what do you guys think? Was let's take turns. Was your hypothesis supported by the data, yes or no?
When there was
Why?
less soap, I said there would be less soap. I don't know because in the data on the let me get to the page. See, this one had a higher average, but then this one had higher than this one. So I don't know. It was kind of supported, but not.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Because I said that if there was less water, it would
Okay. So you think you really couldn't make up, it really, 50-50 was the same as water, but when you had 75% water, 25% soap, it was less, right? Okay.
when it was 50-50, you got more. But so technically, it evens out, and it was kind of both. It was rejected, but it was also right.
Okay.
I thought C would stay on the best.
That's what I was done.
And which one? Didn't C stay on the best?
No, it didn't stay on the worst.
No, it didn't. On average, it stayed on the bed.
The 50-50, I thought you guys had
It did. Steve did stay on the best.
yeah.
Yeah, which is my hypothesis was
Yeah.
rejected.
Okay.
So if we said more soap means that the average would be higher. Does that mean our average was right? Like our hypothesis was right? If we put that more soap means a higher average.
What do you think?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Okay, here's
All right. Let's look at our next things, okay? What's question number 3 say?
Use the data to explain why you said your hypothesis was supported or rejected. My hypothesis was supported.
D said best. No.
It's head. Because the data showed that soap made more
Average stuff.
So, how much?
droplets.
You just said soap. So, is it any amount of soap? Because the way you have it written is you're saying if you put any soap in water,
Most soap. Most soap made more water droplets. Yay.
Am I allowed to put kind of correct? Because I was.
okay. Yeah, as long as you can explain it. Yeah. Yeah. As long as you can explain why you feel that way. Okay. All right, girls. How are you doing on the questions?
Oh, we still have questions?
Yeah. All right. So what was the question was, what was our problem? Remember on the first page what we say our problem was?
How many drops of a substance can fit on a penny?
Okay.
Oh, wait, what is it?
So the question was, does the amount of soap mixed with water affect how well the water will stay on the penny? That was your question.
Can we just write that?
Yeah, you can write it in your own words.
Does the amount of
We'll be right there in just a minute. Okay, what was your hypothesis? Did you think that the solution that was all water, or 75-25 or 50-50? Which one did you think would work the best?
Probably.
No, what did you think before you did it?
Oh, I thought that C would.
Okay, you thought C would do the best? Okay, was your hypothesis correct or incorrect? No, why? What'd you find out?
It was the best water.
Okay, so all water worked the best. Okay? All right. And did you guys check this? Did you notice if it made a difference as to the side of the penny you used or anything like that?
Oh, we didn't do that. We just got the same side.
You just used the same side? Okay. Good. Very good. All right. I need you to stop what you're doing. Shh. Stop what you're doing. We have ran out of time. Shh. I need you to stop what you're doing. Your name should be on your paper, so I will collect it as you walk out the door. If I did not throw, boys, please stop. If I did not throw your paper towels away, which I think I got almost everyone's, please deposit those into the garbage can as well. It is time to go.